Hi guys, we're in Abu Dhabi. I'm with Marisa. Naami sa Off the Hook. We're here for our late lunch. Off the Hook, this is in Abu Dhabi. So actually, I'm in Abu Dhabi because I went to meet the oncology hematology doctor here in NMC Khalifa City. So, I got my second opinion. Wow, lihukan ako guys, no? Wala may choice. This is my vlog. Watch it. So, maato, nagpa-second opinion me and they both recommended the same diagnostic test for me, which is bone marrow aspiration and PET scan. But the difference is, nag-offer ang doctor dire na maka-email siya to, I don't know if it's a hospital, clinic, or institution. Basta the doctor offered to send an email to see if he can get it covered under my insurance. So that is very good news because if it's not under insurance, it's around 8,500 dirhams mga sales. So, and also the bone marrow aspiration, I confirmed today from the insurance side that it will not be covered in an NMC-BIP. So, I messaged the doctor here to cross-check also from his side if it will get covered here in Khalifa City. Hopefully, all will be covered. I think these two tests will be the defining factor or the important test that will see if how we will proceed. So, feeling na ko, once ma-scan na ko and na bone marrow aspiration, mas makita na ang clear picture kung unsay nahitabo sa akong lawas. Because as per the doctor, slightly elevated ako ang calcium. So, there must be something wrong with my bones. So, I also want to know what's wrong with my bones. So, let's pray na ma-approve ang PET scan and bone aspiration. So, mga ansatan, we're waiting for our food and I'll show you guys when it comes.
That's spicy.
Okay. Guys, nag-church visit me sa St. Joseph's Cathedral. So, manamig kaon, busog nami. Mananamig pray guys. Ng atamig Operation Chapel, nagdakot ni kandila, and nagsulod sad mi sa simbahan. Nindot ilahang church diri guys. Very chill and Philippines vibes kay siya. It feels like home. So, manguli na mi. And that wraps up our day in Abu Dhabi. Bye guys!